Google has big plans for the year of 2022. The upcoming Pixel 7 series along with the first Google folder phone, the Pixel Passport. All these products are planned in collaboration with the one and only Samsung, as we already know that Samsung gives out their camera sensors to other manufacturers. And this year their biggest customer Xiaomi decided to use Sony sensors. Even other Chinese brands are set to move towards Sony, but not Google. Apparently they are standing with Samsung. According to the Twitter releaser Yogesh, with a great track record, the codename Cheetah and Panther, which are associated with the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, they're said to use the same Samsung ISO GN1 sensor as the Pixel 6 series. It took years for Google to upgrade their camera sensor, which they did last year. So they're definitely not going to upgrade their sensor every year, which is why they're standing with Samsung using the Azure GN1, which is still a very capable sensor. Google is said to bring some even greater software optimization to enhance the camera experience to next level. Now as for the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, they're also expected to be the same as the ones we have seen on the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 7 series is expected to be all about refining the last year's model with even better software and hardware optimization. Now speaking of hardware optimization, the Tensor 2 is expected to come on the Pixel 7 series with AMD graphics. This is very interesting because it's going to be the first device with the AMD graphics other than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The codename GS201 was found associated with the Pixel 7 series in the Android 13 developer preview, which is a direct successor to the GS101 found with the Pixel 6 series. Not just that, even the new Exynos 5G modem with the codename G5300B. It was also there, and it's a direct successor to the G123B on the Pixel 6 series. So it's very obvious that Google is once again using the Tensor 2 chip in collaboration with Samsung. It's basically an Exynos chip refined by Google with their own NPU for that better control. With this new hardware we can obviously expect some better performance and of course better improvements to the camera experience. Now before the Pixel 7 series, Google is about to launch probably the hottest Android phone of the year, the Google Pixel 6a. The Pixel 6a is rocking the same Tensor chip as the Pixel 6 Pro with a very similar design as well. The only difference is that it's not using the latest Samsung sensor, so it's still coming with that old Pixel 5 sensor. It's still going to be one of the best cameras that you can get on any smartphone out there thanks to Google's amazing software algorithm. Now since Tensor is a flagship level chip compared to the mid-range Snapdragon chips that we have seen on the Pixel 5a, the camera experience along with the image quality and video and night mode, all those things will see a better improvement. And let's not forget the $449 expected price is an amazing value. It's expected to come out in the month of May, so not that far away from its official launch. Let me know what you think about the upcoming Pixel 7 series. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.